Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about how to study effectively. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Studying effectively is crucial for retaining information, understanding concepts, and achieving academic success. Here are some tips to help you study effectively. Number 1, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve from your study session. Having a clear goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Number 2, create a study schedule. Plan your study time in advance. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks with short breaks in between. This helps prevent burnout and improves focus. Number 3, choose a suitable environment. Find a quiet, well-lit, and comfortable place to study. Minimize distractions such as noise, clutter, and interruptions. Number 4, organize your materials. Keep your study materials, textbooks, notes, and supplies organized. This makes it easier to assess what you need and reduces wasted time searching for resources. Number 5, use active learning techniques. Instead of passive reading or listening, engage with material actively. Summarize, paraphrase, and explain concepts in your own words. Use mnemonic devices, visual aids, and diagrams to enhance memory. Number 6, take breaks. Breaks are essential for maintaining concentration. Use techniques like Pomodoro technique, which involves studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. Number 7, practice retrieval. Test yourself on the material you've learned. This enhances memory recall and helps identity areas where you need more review. Number 8, vary your study methods. Use a mix of techniques such as reading, summarizing, discussing, practicing problems, and teaching someone else. Variety keeps your studying engaging and reinforces learning from different angles. Number 9, stay healthy. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and a balanced diet. Physical health significantly impacts cognitive function and concentration. Number 10, stay organized. Use tools like planners, digital calendars, and to-do lists to keep track of assignments, deadlines, and study sessions. Number 11, stay engaged. If the material is challenging, seek clarification from teachers, peers, or online resources. Don't hesitate to ask questions when you're unsure. Number 12, review regularly. Regularly review previously studied material to reduce your memory and prevent forgetting. Number 13, teach others. Explaining concepts to someone else is a powerful way to reinforce your own understanding. Identify areas where you need more clarity. Number 14, stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset, avoid negative self-talk, and believe in your ability to learn and improve. Number 15, practice self-care. Manage stress through relaxation techniques, hobbies, and activities you enjoy. Remember that effective studying is a personalized process, and what works best for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different strategies to find the ones that align with your learning style and help you retain information most effectively. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about how to study effectively. I hope it will help you to improve your study habit and skills. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.